So today I'm going to show you guys how we clean our pool here. First, we start off by taking a brush and brushing all of the dirt down to the deep end. And as you can see, it's absolutely disgusting with all the algae and everything. We'll get it cleaned up. Then we begin to thoroughly vacuum the pool. So you just get all that nastiness out of there. It's starting to clear up a tiny bit more than it was yesterday already. Next step, you want to put about 4 gallons of pool shock in the pool and let it sit overnight. And sure enough, after just a few hours, things are really starting to come together. It has more of a grayish blue look now. Next day, we're putting another 4 gallons of bleach in it. It's already looking better. Just use 4 gallons of pool shock. Now I'm putting 4 more, so that's 8 gallons in one day. So about 30 gallons of pool shock later, here's what we